Well, here we are back down here on the lawns of Mildura at the Mildura Rowing Club, looking across at Baronga, New South Wales. That's where the caravan park was. Not much out of water now. And swinging around to go, you can actually see, well, you should be able to see the strength of that water running. And swing around here, we're looking up towards the bridge, Chaffey Bridge, that goes across from Victoria here to New South Wales, and swing around here a bit further, and this is the railway line that we used to have. Well, we still got the railway line, but we got no passenger train. But people weren't using it back then, and so I don't know whether they're going to use it now, but there's a lot of water. When you look back through here, and you can just see that's the buildings and everything over the other side there. Some of them are actually submerged. But down here we have the car parks and everything. Sorry for moving this because I'm actually holding in my hand. I haven't got the little stick, as I call it. But we still have traffic driving along here. This road hasn't been blocked, but did look and see that the river is still going up pretty high. So now they're saying maybe middle of next week or whenever. But that's about it, people. So I will leave it at that, and everybody just look after yourselves.